Welcome to problem solving series. Now, this question may seem an easy one because it says that something about geometric progression and arithmetic mean, but there's a catch in this question. Let us begin it and see what's the catch. It says that let ABC be positive integers such that b upon a is an integer. ABC are in geometric progression and arithmetic mean of ABC is b plus 2. Then we have to find the value of this particular equation. Uh, Let us evaluate this information first. ABC are in geometric progression. I'll assume that A is equal to capital A, then B will be equal to AR, and C will be equal to AR square. And the second thing they have given is arithmetic mean of ABC is B plus 2. Arithmetic mean will be given by A plus B plus C upon 3 equal to B plus 2. We'll simplify this and we'll get A minus 2B plus C equal to 6. Now I'll substitute these A, B and C as A, AR and AR square. So it will be A minus 2AR plus AR square equal to 6. I can take A as common and it will be R square minus 2R plus 1, which is nothing but R minus 1 the whole square equal to 6. Now the catch is here at this point only. I can't just assume A and R values such that they will satisfy this particular equation. So I have to see the first statement of this question. It says that let ABC be positive integers such that B upon A is an integer. Now I know B is equal to AR and C is equal to AR, A is equal to capital A. So this is nothing but R and R is an integer. Now if I see here, if R is an integer, then R minus 1 should also be an integer and R minus whole square is also an integer. Now if I write it like this, 6 upon R minus 1 whole square. If I'm dividing an integer with another integer, the answer should always be an integer. That means the possible values of R minus 1 are nothing but the multiples of 6 or the factors of 6. Not multiples, the factors of 6. So R minus 1 square will be the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now I can see that R minus 1 square should be equal to 1 only. Now why only 1? Because R minus 1 square is a whole square and 1 is only the whole square here. So R minus 1 square should be equal to 1. That means R is nothing but 2. If I put R equal to 2 in this equation, I'll get A as 6. And now the question is solved. This value will be 36 plus 6 minus 14 upon 6 plus 1 7. This is 42 minus 14 will be 28 and 28 upon 7 will be 4. So answer to this question is 4. Now why I chose this question for today's video. See, this question was asked in JEE Advanced 2014 and for many students this is a very easy question. But the reason I chose this question is for the students who cannot think beyond the formulas. This question uses no formulas but a very simple logic, and even a 10th standard student can solve this if he uses the correct logic. So this was the reason behind choosing this question. Hope you like this question and you are enjoying this series. Thank you.